why. That's why. Oh.
Oh, this could have all been simple, Henry.
Oh. Oh. Wait. Alright, so we got the next reaction is sneezing more than twice in a row by Caleb City. Oh, it's been a while for a week, man. Oh, I heard that you and Kimmy actually got married. And I want to say congratulations. You know, I've been saw that on your post, man, and I gotta say, man, it feel good to know it that you probably have a best time of your life, man, best day of your life, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. Now I gotta say, congratulations to Caleb City and Kimmy D, finally getting married, and yeah, I'm here. I'll be here to support y'all, whatever you need it, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. But anyways, but yeah, it's true. I did sneeze a lot, like plenty of times, man, because I know it's so irritated because maybe it's my allergies or some hairs, nose that it's been, it's been under my nose every single time because it got so very irritated of it, and I don't know how, but it's always happened every single time, man, and it gets so irritated of it, and I can't not stop freaking sneezing every single time, man. It'll never stops, man. But yeah, but let me know, comment down below if this ever happens to you, because yeah, I really hate that so much. Oh, but yeah, man. Let's just check it out in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Bless you. Thank you. Bless you.
Oh boy.
Whoa!
Oh!
Hey, hey, hey.
Oh!
What do you gotta do all this for now? It's just the rules, Henry. You know the rules, and so do I. Come on, man. Just give up on that already. Never gonna give it up. Just let the gun down. Never gonna let it down. Let's just run along and forget this whole thing. Huh? Never gonna run around or desert it. You're gonna make me cry, man. Never gonna make you cry. Enough! Why should I even let you live? Just think about it, man. We ain't even gotta do all this. We
That's why. That's why. Oh!
Oh, this could have all been simple, Henry.
Oh! Oh! Wait! Why did he run like that? Let me go back once again. Wait.
Oh, Henry.
Wait. Bro, why did he run like that, man? I swear to God, man. Bro, that is so funny. Bro, all this because I sneezed twice, man. Come on, man. You gotta let it go. And then brought the flashback and just tried to. Bro, this is why I love reacting to funny videos, man. That actually make my life even better because of it. And I know a lot of people like my laughs because I have to say, man, I've been like trying to do this every single time, man, and it does help me like a lot. So yeah. Oh my god, that is too funny to me. But yeah, man, comment down below what y'all think about it, and also let me know if this ever happened to you where you always sneeze every single time. 'Cause I know it's like irritates you, cause you know, yeah, maybe because of the allergies or some, you know, hairs in your nose and all that. That's slightly irritating, man. I ain't gonna lie, cause I mean, it's how it happens to me sometimes. But yeah, man, comment down below, and I will see you on the next video.